Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to see how to create the site orders and its functionality. So in order to create the site order, you need to go to the project module. Under the project module you select the menu and site orders. So this is the list view of the site order. This is the site order number that has been auto generated to the system. The revisions, generation date, that is the creation date of the form, build to, due date, and the site order status. So this is a list view. So let's create one. In order to create, just click on new. Okay, so this is the form. This is the site order new. Once you create and save the form, the site order number would auto generate through the system itself. These are the revisions if there are any made. This is the responsible employee. Okay, so who has created this form? Currently I'll just add my name. Then you select the project. Just select the project. So the build to and the office address gets auto populated, and this is the site order type. So is it the survey, to install, the quality control, punch list, or turnover? So we'll just select the survey for now. So over here you have a smart button to select the lines for the sale orders. So when you select the lines, okay, so the start date and end date is the mandatory field. So I'll just add the start date and end date. Okay, and then I select the lines. Over here it would show only those sale orders that are associated with this project, the sale order and the change order basically. Okay, so let's select the sale orders, and then you can select the lines that you want to install, or you want to get a survey in the site. Okay, so I'll just add the guardrail for now. Okay. Over here you can add if there are any previously installed basically on the site itself. Okay, so we'll just select one more item, let's say bollard, and then you can add a lines. Okay, the moment you add a line, so under the sale order line tab, all the sale order lines that you have selected will populate over here. Okay, so you can select multiple sale orders. You can go again and select the lines and select on the drop down, and select if there is any other products that you want to add. So for now this is a change order, and this is already been selected, which means that this was already been added to some other site order. Okay, so that's how you can identify if the site order has been created for this particular product or not. So that's how you can see, and then this populates the previously installed as well if there is an installed for the installation labor. Basically just an example we are talking about, if there is this product has been installed previously. So that's how you can identify and check while creating the site orders. So over here you add the subject. This is the bill of lading. Okay, so this would give you the list of all the bill of lading that has been created. Same goes for the packing slips and the purchase orders. Okay, for the site orders. Here you add the notes, the summary. This is the estimated hours. So estimated hours are calculated on this site order work lines. So when I select the site order work lines, I'll just select the products. So it would just populate those products that are been selected or that has been added in the site order lines. Okay, so let's say I'll select the bollard. Over here you add the labor type. Okay, so you can select the labor type from the listed drop down. If it's not created, you can always type and create and edit a new one. Okay, I'll just add mobile installation. Over here you have the description. You can add the description, and then you add the employee over here. Okay, who is going to survey this. I'll just add my name for now. So the moment you add the employee, this pop-up gets populated that the task will be created, which is nothing but the timesheet record will be generated against this employee for the site order 18 and for the product. Okay, so all details will populate under the timesheet itself. Over here you can, this is a text field for the quality control, and over here you add the estimated hours. So let's say the estimated hours to survey is 8, and oh, the description field is compulsory. I'll add the description as survey, and yeah. So the moment I add the 8 hours, you can see the estimated hours has been added as 8 hours. Okay, and the additional time, so apart from whatever has been estimated, if there's any additional time based on the site condition, if it requires more time, uh, the user, the responsible of this form can add. Then we have the client drawing. Okay, so you can add the client drawings for this particular site orders if there are any, or yeah, the if there are any client drawings that are been already added for this particular project, this would populate over here. Similarly for the clients and client specifications over here. And this is the timesheet record. The moment you add any employee under the site work lines, the timesheet would get created against the employee, the department from which is the project, and the task over here. Okay, which is nothing but the site order name and the product. Over here you can add the hours spent, the start time, end time. Over here you can select the cost code, the payroll item, okay, if there are any created for this particular employee, and the work log type. Okay, so you can see this under the timesheets as well. So if I go to the timesheet module, just group by employee, yeah, so over here you can see the site order 18, and for the project over here you can add the hours spent, the client contacts, okay, which is nothing but the all the contacts that has been created would populate over here, the site address, production file status. Okay, you can create the status over here. Okay, so currently there's no drop down that has been created for the production file status, but then you can just type and create and edit. This is the release date, due date, and the actual completion date. Okay, then you have the quality checks as well. Okay, for the site orders. So this is in progress, and then I can create a quality check as well for the products, whether it's passed or failed, basically for the entire product that has been selected for the site order lines. So this has been passed, and then you can complete the site order. Okay, these are all the statuses for like draft, approved, in progress, on hold, complete, cancel, and superseded. So that's how you create the site order. Thank you everyone. See you in the next one.